So you might be in this really weird situation, or for some reason, your side buttons are just not working inside of your Android device. So what does this mean? Well, maybe if you take a close look at your particular side buttons on your Android phone, whenever you're clicking them on, you might notice that none of them are actually going through and clicking anything. Maybe the power button's working, but maybe the other buttons aren't working. The first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that you don't have some sort of like random case on your particular phone. If you're going through and you have some sort of like random case, like a big case that buttons are just hard to click on, that can be the number one issue that you're running into. So just go through and make sure that's not the problem. Because if it is, there's not really that much you can do. You're pretty much just going to have to remove that case, go ahead and try clicking the buttons and see if that works. Now you may also want to just double check real quick that the buttons aren't actually having some random issues too. If you're clicking onto your buttons and those are just running into too many problems, like let's say you're like tapping on the buttons and nothing's working, but when you press on the buttons harder than it's working, that might be a problem with the buttons themselves, and that might be a hardware issue. And you may just want to go ahead and actually, reach out to your manufacturer and basically see if they can fix it, because at that point it would probably be a hardware issue. Another thing you can try doing is software updating your phone. So what you can do here is making your way over to your settings application. So find your settings just like this. You then want to go and scroll down until you see your system update panel. So click on system. Go ahead and find the system update panel, which is right here. And you want to see if there's an update available for your particular phone. If there is, you want to go and check for an update, and you want to see if that update actually ends up fixing the problem. For some people, that might end up fixing it. It's not a guarantee. You can also see if you can restart your phone. So if you're not able to hold down the power button here, sometimes if you swipe down from the top right here, you should be able to see a power button at the very bottom. So you may want to click on that power button and restart your phone that way and see if that ends up fixing the problem too. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.